Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will focus on the necessary steps to maintain your 18650 battery dryer HS01 for peak performance. First, let's gather the tools you will need for this process. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, cleaning wipes or a microfiber cloth, and a can of compressed air. These tools will help you perform a thorough maintenance check on your unit. Start by unplugging the device from the power source to ensure safety. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the dryer. Set these screws aside in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the back panel is removed, you will be able to access the internal components. Take a moment to visually inspect the interior for any dust accumulation or debris. This is a common issue that can affect performance. Using the compressed air, gently blow away any dust from the components. Be cautious not to damage any delicate parts during this process. If you notice significant dirt buildup, take your microfiber cloth and dampen it slightly with water. Wipe down any accessible surfaces, being sure to avoid any electrical components. Remember, keeping the interior clean can significantly enhance the efficiency of your dryer. Moving on, let's check the connections. Ensure that all wiring is securely attached and free from corrosion. If you spot any signs of wear, it may be time to consider professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can evaluate the condition of your device more thoroughly. Once everything looks good, replace the back panel carefully. Align it properly and reinsert the screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten as this can strip the screws. Now that your dryer is reassembled, let's discuss the importance of regular maintenance. It's recommended to perform this cleaning process every few months, depending on usage. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable with the maintenance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of no calls and no travel. Lastly, if any repairs are needed, you can request a quote before repair. This ensures transparency and gives you peace of mind knowing what to expect. By following these steps, you can keep your 18650 battery dryer HS01 in excellent condition, prolonging its lifespan and ensuring it operates efficiently. Regular maintenance is key, so don't skip this important task. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.